Hello friend, today we discuss the theory portion from automobile engineering which is applicable in the exam Junior Motor Vehicle Inspector of OSSC and Motor Vehicle Inspector of OPSC. Let's start the theory portion, then after that in next class we discuss the multiple choice question related to this topic. So start our journey automobile engineering. Then what is automobile? What is the definition of automobile? So answer is a self-propelled passenger vehicle that usually has four wheels and internal combustion engine used for land transport, generally peoples and items. This is the example. This is a example of automobile. This is a car. These are the many items or the parts which are required for complete setup of this vehicle. So first the occupant safety must be required, then body system, these are the body system and the interior part and seating arrangement for this comfort, and the chassis, and this are the steering or suspension. For wheels there need be a braking system and powertrain for transmission system, and exhaust which are required from the outlet of external combustion material, that means carbons, anything etc., which are the exhaust material from combustion. Next, different type of component of automobiles. These are basic structure, power plant, transmission system, auxiliary controls and superstructure. This is our engine which produces power. Next, related to clutch, which is the intermediate between gear and engine. Sorry, this is clutch. And next, our transmission system, which is consists of gear, variable gear mechanism. Next, this is our propeller shaft. Then these are differential, which transmit the power from engine to rear axles by 90-degree angle action. These are mainly consist of bevel gear. This is rear axle shaft. This is also rear axle shaft. Next, this is the conventional automobile transmission system schematic diagram. Engine, flywheel, clutch, gearbox, which consist of transmission, and differential, which supply the power from engine to last wheel. Next, classification automobile. Different type of classification. First is purpose. These are mainly passenger carrier. These are the car, bus, auto rickshaw. Next, goods carrier. These are the image of good carriers, trolley, truck. Next, automobile, this classification, they are the rough diagram, schematic diagram. Automobile divided into passenger vehicle, good vehicle. Passenger vehicle may be a light vehicle, heavy vehicle. So heavy vehicle are buses, coaches. Buses divided into single deck, double deck. Single deck is mini bus, big bus. Double deck bus are two line, just like first floor and second floor. Next, light vehicles are motorcycle or moped. Moped means Luna, and scooter, motorcycle, jeep, station wagon, pickup or van. These cars are light vehicles. Next, goods vehicles are light vehicle, heavy vehicles. Light vehicles are delivery van, light truck, tempo. Tempo are 3-wheeler or 4-wheeler. Next, heavy vehicle. Heavy vehicles are trucks, tractor, trailer. Next is capacity. Automobiles are divided based on second portion is capacity. Capacity means transport vehicles means heavy transport vehicles, STF like truck and bus, and the second is light transport vehicle like car, jeep, etc. Next classification is fuel used. Fuel used means generally we have four types: petrol vehicles, diesel vehicle, gas vehicle or CNG. Next, electric vehicles. Next classification four types: wheels, two wheelers like scooter, motorcycle, etc. And three wheelers like auto rickshaw, tempo, and four wheeler like car, jeep. Next, six wheeler like truck, buses. Next five type classification on body style: closed car like saloon, coupe, etc. Open car like sports car, convertible car. Special styles such as estate cars, station wagon, etc. Next classification 6 number is drive. Left hand drive, example vehicle used in USA. This classification is a position of the uh, steering, which place steering is situated. In India, there are mostly all cars are right hand vehicle because the steering position is right hand side. Next drive is front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, all wheel drive. Front wheel drive means power is supplied on the front axles, that means front wheels. Rear wheel drive means power is generally delivered in the last wheels, means rear wheels. All wheel drive means power is distributed for wheels, means all the wheels. Generally India rear wheel drive will prefer all the vehicles, and all wheel drives are required where we require mountain drive or mountain adventurous journey. In example are Thor Mahindra and Toyota Fortuner, the heavy vehicles which require four wheel drive. Next classification on the transmission. Transmission may be manual, semi-automatic, fully automatic. Next, suspension. Suspension is conventional, that means leaf spring. These are the image of the leaf spring, which are situated for the comfort of the passenger during humps or any vibrational element which obstruct the motions from vehicle. Next is independent type. It is coil spring pneumatic. These are the coil spring type which are placed on the chassis body, which absorbs shocks from the vibratory body. Next, position of engine. Engine may be placed in front. These are the image of engine which is placed in the bonnet of the car. Next, engine inside driver's cabin. This is a truck which is engine placed on driver cabin, and engine in rear side. These are the example of Tata Nano, which is engine placed on the back side. This also be tempo, which is engine placed in back side. So these are the automobiles basic classification. And next we discuss the parts of automobile. First, the machine portion, which is called chassis, and the carriage portion, the body. Automobiles are mainly consist of two types, that is chassis and body. If we add chassis and body, we complete our automobiles. First, body or carriage portion. What is the definition of body and carriage portion? The portion of an automobile where passengers have their seats or where cargo to be carried is placed is called body. Next, chassis or machine portion. It contains almost all the part of automobile which are necessary to drive the vehicles. Next, chassis portion, that means machine portion. Every automobile consists of four basic units. chassis, transmission, engine, electrical equipment. Next, transmission. This unit transmits the power from engine to wheels. It consists of clutch, gearbox, final drive, axle and differential. Next, engine. Engine is the source of power. It consists of following basic system: fuel system, ignition system, lubrication system, cooling system. Next, electrical system. Electrical system consists of battery, alternator, ignition system, lightning system. Next, chassis. This part of automobile support its body, engine and transmission system. The chassis contain all the major unit necessary to propel the vehicle, direct its motion, stop it and allow it to run smoothly over uneven surface. The chassis of an automobile consists of following components suitably mounted. Chassis has been following this element. These are frames, front axle, steering system, rear axle, suspension system, transmission system, brake system, engine, electrical system. The chassis is subdivided into power plant and running gear. Next, discuss about the fully on chassis. All the above mentioned components are mounted in either of the following two ways. These are be the conventional type or frameless or unitary construction. Conventional construction. In this case, separate frame is used. Frameless or unitary construction, here no separate frame is employed. These are the conventional type. Chassis classification. Conventional chassis. In this type, chassis engine is fitted in front of the driver cabin or driver seat, such as in car and previous model of Tata trucks. Here, driver seat behind the engine, that is quite far from the front axle. As such, he cannot see the road just in front of the front tire. Owing to this reason, slope is provided at the mudguard and bonnet to enable the driver to see close the wheels as far possible. Next is semi-forward chassis. This is such a chassis where half portion of the engine is driver cabin and remaining half is outside the cabin, such as in standard, Bedford pickup and tap a truck. Forward or bus chassis. In this type, chassis complete engine is mounted inside the driver cabin. These are the normal, where slope is provided to driver to see the road, and it is conventional type of chassis. Here the all engine portion is in front of the driver's cabin. This is forward control, where chassis is completely mounted inside the driver cabin. And this is option C, semi forward control, where chassis where the engine is half of the driver's inside cabin and half is forward the driver's cabins. Next, type of chassis layout based on type of tire: front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, four wheel drive. Next, power plant location. That means which power plant means which generate power to drive the wheels or drive the cars or vehicles, automobiles. Next, engine at front. Engine fitted up front but crosswise. Engine fitted at center on the chassis. Engine fitted on the back. Front wheel drive layout. Front wheel drive layout are those in which front wheels of vehicles are driven. Generally considered superior to front front engine. Rear wheel drive layout, car in conditions such as snow mode, Audi A3, A4, SS. These are the front wheel drives, where engine is mounted on the front wheel to drive the front wheels of the car or automobiles or anything, etc. Next, advantage of front wheel drive. Interior space. No need to deviate interior space of drive shaft tunnel or rear differential, increasing the volume available for passenger and cargo. Weight, fewer component. Fuel efficiency. Improve fuel efficiency due to less weight. Cost, less material. Improve drive train efficiency. Direct connection between engine and transaxle reduce the mass and mechanical inertia of the drive train. Next, improve traction and stability. On wet or snowy or icy surface, the traction control will be improved. Next, disadvantage of front wheel drive. Noise or heavy or more weight distribution forward, which make them prone to understeer, especially in high horsepower application. high turning cycle. Almost always use a transverse engine installation which limits the amount by which front wheel can turn, thus increasing the turning cycle of a front wheel car compared to rear wheel drive on with same wheelbase. Next, size of engine. AP transverse engine layout, also known as east-west, restricts the size of engine that can be placed in modern engine compartments, so it's rarely adopted by powerful luxury and sports car. AP configuration can usually only accommodate inline 4 and V6 engine, while longer engine heavier use of front tire. It makes heavier use of front tire, causing more wear in the front and rear wheel drive layout. Next, rear wheel drive layout. FR layout is often chosen simple design and good handling characteristics. The engine is mounted on the rear wheel, which will drive the rear wheels. Rear wheel drive layouts, the example of cars, Volkswagen, BMW 3 Series, Omni. Advantages of rear wheel drive: even weight distribution, turning radius, no complicated in drive shaft joint shaft required to front wheel. It is possible to turn them further. It will possible using front wheel drive, resulting in smaller steering radius given in wheelbase. Better handling capacity, even though weight distribution and weight transfer improve handling care, then accommodate more powerful engine as a result of longitudinal additional dimensions such as inline race. Next, disadvantage: even weight distribution. On snow, ice, sand, drive losses, traction control little bit slow compared to front wheel drive. Increased weight, the compression of rear wheel drive powertrain are less complex but they are larger. Cost of material increased complex assembly of FR layout. Low mechanical efficiency. Four wheel drive layout, all wheel drive. Most four wheel drive are front engine mount, and derivatives. In earlier front engine two designs, wheel drive design. Four wheel drives, all wheel drives, four wheel drives or 4x4 is four wheel vehicle with a drivetrain that allow all four wheels to receive torque from the engine simultaneously. 4x2, a wheel vehicle that transmit engine power to only two axle end, the front two in front wheel drive or rear two in rear wheel drive. 4x4, that means torque is receive all the four wheels, and 4 is into 2, that means torque is received by only two wheels and all wheel rotate. Next, these are the example of four wheel drive which are used for heavy mountain climbs or racings. Advantages are high traction, better weight distribution, off-road capability is increased. Vehicle can continue to move as long as there is sufficient contact between road surface and other drive wheels. These vehicles are more capable of moving on muddy surface. Next, disadvantage of four-wheel drive: complex machinery and transmission, stopping distance, poor performance in ideal dry condition. Next, power plant location. In power plant means where engine is produce power and what is their mountains and their history. Engine at front, engine fitted in front but crosswise, engine fitted at center on the chassis, engine fitted on back side. In next class we discuss remaining topics from power plant location. Thank you. If you like this video, if you please like our video. If you are support our, please comment also. In next class we discuss on the question from the chassis body part. Thank you.